out the Farmer's Dream bundle that could be yours for just $19.97. It includes this 2019 Holland T7 190 with range command and 50k, this Manitou 120 turbo, and this 2017 Kubota digger. So included we have this brand new RedRock Slurry pump Superflow, this brand new Hardy NK amenity sprayer, this brand new trailed grass topper, this brand new Walter Watson Land Roller, and a brand new Johnson shear grab. And it could all be yours for just $19.97. It's on early bird for a limited time only, so now's the time to hop on the website and get those tickets bought.